Hey there, welcome to Abyss. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the onboarding process so you can start moving money quickly and seamlessly. Getting started is easy. Just sign in with Google, GitHub, or your email. More sign-in options are coming soon. Once you arrive on the home page, find the transaction widget and click the Activate Now button to create an account. If you're onboarding as a business, then click Business and fill out the form. If you're onboarding as an individual, click Individual. Fill in the information to verify your account. Next, you're going to connect your bank account. When you enter your legal name, it is important to make sure that you enter the same legal name that you KYC'd with. Next, you're going to connect your wallet. Select your preferred blockchain and enter your wallet address. Once you're logged in and verified, your dashboard will be ready to go. From here, you can link your bank account, add your crypto wallet, and start transactions. Let's say you want to buy or sell $100 worth of USDC. Simply enter the amount and confirm the trade. Select your preferred wallet, bank, and method. Once the crypto is sent, confirm the transaction and it'll be processed. Your dashboard will show the transaction status as pending until it is complete. You'll also get an email update when it's finalized. ACH transfers typically take a couple of business days, while wire transfers are much faster, sometimes within the day. Abyss supports multiple blockchains. You can add different wallets like Solana or Ethereum and choose the blockchain that best suits your needs. And that's it. You're all set to start moving your money with Abyss. If you have any questions, our team is here to help.